Hello, Budget Baker friends. I am here today to talk about this funnel. So I purchased this funnel from Amazon, and I will add some information about it in the description. But the reason that I ordered it is because it is for filling jars. So you take the funnel and you put it in your jar, and then you can pour whatever it is you're filling the jar with in the funnel, right? So what's really cool about this funnel though is it came with like all these other little attachments, and I was so impressed. It was more than I expected. And I think it was like $6 for everything. So it was very affordable. So basically how it works is, let's say you have a little itty bitty something that you're filling. You take this and you screw it on underneath. And then you put it in there, and then if you're straining, it's got these two little strainers. Not one, but two. As you can see, this one down here is finer than the other one. So then, let's say you're straining something. You put the strainer in like this, and you pour it in, and it strains it as it's funneling. Isn't that cool? And then it came with this handy dandy little pipe cleaner to clean the little funnel. Okay. So it came with that size, and then it came with this size, a little bit bigger. Here, let me put these here so you guys can see them. Boop. And then it's got the bigger size, and then it has this one here that's more for like wide mouth containers. And then, like I said, it came with these two and the cleaner. So I was impressed. I definitely got my money's worth, and these are BPA free and they are safe to use for food. So let's just say, without judgment, that you have one of those old-time plastic funnels in your drawer that you can use for motor oil or something along those lines. Let's not use those for food. Let's use something that's food safe and made specifically for food. So anyway, like I said, I'll add some information. If you guys want to hop on over to Amazon, I think it came next day. If not, it was 2 days, but it was fast. And it came in two colors, the light blue and I want to say a gray. And I guess I picked the light blue, either or. Anyway, just wanted to pop on today and show that to you because I was really impressed with the quality and the options for the price. So here's to budget baking.